Hello everyone, welcome back to Idea Lab Makerspace. Experiment 11 to perform the basic pick and place operations of the DOBOT Magician robot. Name of the job is Robotics. Objective is to perform the basic pick and place capabilities of the DOBOT Magician robot. The following components are required, that is robot magician, dobot, blockly, pick and place field diagram, suction cup gripper, 1-inch cubes or cylinder. In our experiment we are using 1-inch cubes. For this experiment we are using DobotStudio software. This is the schematic diagram for robotics. Here AB means above pick point. This is the at pick point. This is the home. Here also at place point, above place point, home. Coming to the setup, ensure that DOBOT Magician is properly assembled and powered. Then connect this DOBOT Magician robot to the PC or laptop using appropriate USB cable. Then open the DOBOT software on the PC. Here robotic arms are excellent for performing pick and place operations such as placing small electronic components on circuit boards as well as large boxes on pallets. A pick and place operation uh, sequence of operations for pick and place robot, that is first one home, above pick point, at pick point, above pick point, above place point, at place point, above place point, home. Among these it requires at least 5 points. Okay, first open DobotStudio software. Just double click on desktop icon. Now the software is opened like this. These are the different operations available in this software, that is teaching and playback, write and draw, blockly, script, leap motion, mouse, laser engraving, 3D printer. Among these, for this experiment I am selecting teaching and playback option. Then connect this robot to COM6, then click on connect. Then now the home button is enabled. When you click on home button, the robot is ready to perform. You can also see this right side. When you click on home, the arm is moved towards right to left side. After homing done, one beep voice out. Now the robot is ready to pick and place operations. By holding this lock button, the second step is by using this lock button you can move to above pick point. Now the values are recorded in this. Next step is at pick point. You can see this screen also. When you hold this lock button, move to above pick point, that values are recorded in this screen. You can see here. Here, yes, here name is above pick point. The third step is at pick point, that value also recorded in the screen. In this step you need to turn on suction cup on. Just double click on this suction cup on and also choose this suction cup on. The next point is fourth point, above pick point. By holding this lock button, you can move this arm to above pick point, then leave it. That value is also recorded in the screen. The next point is above place point, leave it. That reading is also recorded. Next one at place point. In this step, you need to turn up suction cup. You can see the screen. That is at place point, you need to turn up this suction cup off. Here also, here also. Then next reading is above place point. You can see the screen. Hold lock button and move this arm to above place point. Yes, you can see the screen. The value is recorded in the screen, that is above place point. Then click on home button. Next, you can keep that 1-inch cube initial position. After the values are recorded, you can click on start button. After homing done, you can click on start button. Here pause time is showing 0. Here I'm taking 2 seconds. Then click on start button. You can see the performance in the right screen. Now the operation started. At pick point, above pick point, then above place point, at place point, then above place point. Now the experiment is done. This is the procedure to perform pick and place operation by using DOBOT Magician robot. Then in the place of name, you can type these steps. First one is above pick point, second one at pick point, above pick point, above place point, at place point, last one is above place point. You can note down these values in your LMRB. Coming to the safety precautions, always ensure that robot is properly calibrated before running any program. Second one, keep hands and other objects clear of the robot's moving parts during operation. Do not exceed the recommended payload capacity of the robot. Be cautious when experimenting with different objects to prevent damage to the robot or surrounding equipment. These are the few safety precautions to perform that experiment. Okay, I hope you enjoyed a lot in this session. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.